Good morning, everyone. First, let me apologize. I'm really sorry if you were feeling frustrated or losing patience with the discussion boards this week. This is a great example of when it would have been good to give me a call or text. Second, there is obviously a gap between what the announcement says and what Blackboard says. My hope is always that when problems arise, that you have enough confidence in me to reach out directly so that we can get it resolved without panic before the deadline is imminent. My other hope and guidance are that everyone is reading the announcements on Sundays when I post them, making a plan for the week, and then reaching out early enough with questions or concerns so that deadlines and opportunities aren't missed. If anyone, would like to discuss anything with me, please let me know and I'm happy to set up a conference call or we can email. I want everyone to feel comfortable and prepared, to successfully complete your assignments on time. Blackboard, it's a great tool for asking questions, not so much for venting or personal concerns. But, as for this assignment, what students are seeing on Blackboard is different from what I'm seeing, hence the gap. So since it's a technical issue beyond our control, I will eliminate it from this week's work. Again, if you have questions or you need anything, please feel free to contact me. Blackboard is great for asking questions, email, text, phone calls, more appropriate, if you have personal concerns or you need to vent about frustrations with the assignment. That's totally fine. And remember also to leave at least 24 hours for your instructors to get back to you. That's just kind of the standard when we're working online like this. So again, I'm here if you need anything. Otherwise, everybody, that the assignment is eliminated for this week regarding the group work. The collaboration tools discussion board will be the one that we focus on. If you have any questions, again, just let me know. Thanks.